Dale. I've got some news for you.
What's the news, Landon?
Well, let's just say Carl's back. But he's, I don't really want to explain that very much.
Say what? Carl's back? How?
Yes, Carl's back. Better than ever. He's returning. Yes, it's true, Billy. Carl is back.
Oh man, Billy fanning out. I'm out of here.
Dale, you better not leave me again. I got the piston cup. Now all I need to do is put in the hollow detector and the world will be mine.
Hold it right there, Carl. Remember me?
Oh, look who it is. It's the guy always exposing hackers in Roblox and getting banned for complaining. And the red idiot. Carl, we know that you're up to. Give us a piston cup. Or what? What's it gonna do? A T-Rex pop up and kill me? That'll never happen.
Did you say T-Rex?
What in the world? Johnny, what in the world? There's a T-Rex on your head. What in the world?
Yes, this is one of my forms. I am now a T-Rex now, and nothing can stop me.
NB, we're glad you're here. So, what happened?
Well, you see, I hear Carl is back, and he kidnapped the car's lover.
He did what?
What?
Yeah, it's even worse than you can ever imagine.
Why would he kidnap the car's lover and Dale's eyes about to stop? We're sorry, Dale, that we accidentally placed your eyes and mouth on Lightning McQueen.
Some animation error this was.
Well, we gotta save the car's lover. We can't just stand there. We gotta go right now. Who knows Carl's gonna do to her?
Hey, wait up!